Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell Temu products on Amazon. So first step you need to do is to open Temu, and here you can find a lot of products on the Temu website. Let me show you the all products on to this website. So here you can see that, and let's suppose now you want to sell any of the product on to the Amazon. So here you can see that you can find that product's price is really cheap here. So you simply need to go on to the Amazon and you need to create your Amazon account. And let's suppose I want to sell this product on to the Amazon, so I can see the detail of this product and all the necessary information. So let me take this product for example. So let me click here. Okay, we just remove this step and we search this onto the Amazon reading meat thermometer. So search here reading meat. Okay, search this product, and here you can see that the price is really high here. So you simply need to come on to the demo and you need to take all the pictures and all the detail, and here you can see that it is in only 1.57 euro. So you need to come on to the Amazon and you can list this product in $20, $25. Make sure that you keep the record of shipping cost as well, and after that you can sell this product here on to the Amazon in 20 $25, and the cost is only around about $2 and shipping charges, and after that you can get your profit of 5 to 10 to $15 depend on the product. On some products you get more profit as well. So this is the process how you can sell Temu products on Amazon. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.